What is prostate cancer? Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, especially those over 50. It is a type of cancer that develops in the prostate. Prostate is a small gland in men that produces seminal fluid which nourishes and transports sperm. The exact cause of prostate cancer is not fully understood, but risk factors include age, family history, and certain genetic mutations. Prostate cancer usually grows slowly and may not cause symptoms in its early stages. In some cases, it can spread to other parts of the body such as the bones or lymph nodes. Prostate cancer symptoms. Prostate cancer can present differently at various stages. Here is a breakdown of symptoms that may appear in early and advanced stages of prostate cancer. These are as follows. Early prostate cancer symptoms. In its early stages, prostate cancer may not cause any symptoms. It often goes undetected until it is found during routine screenings. However, some men might experience frequent urination, especially at night, difficulty starting or stopping urination, weak or interrupted urine flow, painful or burning sensation during urination. This is a less common symptom. Blood in urine or semen. It occurs rarely. Painful ejaculation. Advanced prostate cancer symptoms. As the cancer progresses, it may spread beyond the prostate, metastasize, leading to more noticeable and severe symptoms including bone pain, especially in the hips, back or pelvis, common if the cancer spreads to bones, unexplained weight loss, fatigue or weakness, swelling in the legs or pelvic area, loss of appetite, incontinence or difficulty controlling urination or bowel movements if cancer spreads to nearby tissues. Blood in urine or semen becomes more common. These symptoms may also be linked to non-cancerous conditions. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms that might suggest prostate cancer, it is essential to seek medical advice for appropriate testing and diagnosis. Early detection through screenings like PSA, prostate-specific antigen test, can help find prostate cancer before it spreads. Besides, treatment options vary and may include surgery, radiation therapy, hormone therapy, chemotherapy, depending on the stage and aggressiveness of the cancer. This was all about prostate cancer symptoms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.